How do you make just one point and make it well? It is difficult, more difficult than I would like to admit. But well, what happens is, you try to make a point, you try to sort of reinforce it with a couple of examples. But what happens then is those examples then lead you astray into another string of thought which you follow, and then the whole messaging gets sort of mixed up, and now you are making multiple points. So the solution to that would be to think one thing and to say one thing, to think about that one thing, and talk about that one thing only, and talk everything that you say should be sort of focusing at the end towards that one point that you're trying to make, instead of sort of digressing to something else which does not add into this point. So um, I'm not going to give you an example for this, because that's the whole point. An example might lead me astray to something else, which may not be about how you can sort of, all the things that you say in making that one point should be actually focused towards making that point better and reinforcing that point, instead of sort of digressing to something else altogether, which may be related, but it does not enforce or reinforce that point. Instead leads to confusion about what is it that you're really trying to say. So to think one thing and to say one thing, to talk about that one thing is difficult, and probably at this point the only evaluation parameter that I have to evaluate, if you are focused enough in your speech, or your thoughts or your examples are leading you astray, is is whether what you are saying actually points to this point, or it leads to another different point altogether, which is in some distance, and which is maybe complete diversion. And that when you evaluate it that way, as in let's I give an example, and halfway in I realize that this example does not actually reinforce this particular point, but it moves into something else. So what I need to do is I need to either bring it back to that particular point, or let it go, understand that okay, I made a mistake, this example does not fit, and but here's the point that I was trying to make, here's maybe a better example. Now one more thing that I just noticed is, many a times it is when such a thing happens, just before digressing, you tend to forget, and instead of pausing, if you just want to speak on, then what will happen is you will continue digressing. But I will not make that point, because that is a point for another video altogether. So next video is going to be about how you actually digress from the point.